Hi, this is Lisa and Kristen, and we're excited to introduce you to Septic Tank Pumping Guys and Lopez Plumbing. With decades of experience, the company specializes in providing reliable septic tank cleaning, maintenance, and plumbing services. Whether you're facing a septic system backup, need an installation, or have an emergency plumbing issue, our team is here to help. We pride ourselves on offering same-day service, available 24/7, ensuring your home or business is running smoothly. Our trained professionals ensure that your septic system and plumbing are in full compliance with regulations, giving you peace of mind. At Septic Tank Pumping Guys and Lopez Plumbing, we don't just fix problems, we prevent them. Regular maintenance and timely repairs save you from costly future issues. Our focus is always on customer satisfaction, offering fast, affordable, and effective solutions tailored to your needs. If you are looking for a trusted team to handle all of your septic and plumbing concerns, don't hesitate to call us today.